All right, Algebra 1, we're going to talk about the definition of subtraction. A lot of you guys came from Saxon math and you love adding a negative. We are going to talk about those things. Our essential question is, can you subtract real numbers and simplify expressions involving differences? The definition of subtraction is just adding a negative number. So when I look at this, I don't have to any longer add a negative. Okay, I just look at 9 minus 12, where 9 is a positive number and 12 is a negative number. And I know when signs are different, I subtract the numbers and take the sign of the largest of absolute value. What happens when I have two negatives like this? A lot of you guys like to change them. I just go ahead and say add. Double negative means add. 3 plus 4 is 7. On this one, it's kind of a mixture of everything. We're going to add this together. So this is saying negative 6 plus 10. Again, we're going to do different. We're going to subtract the numbers and take the sign of the greatest absolute value, so that will be a positive 4. Distributing this negative through shouldn't throw you off too badly. A lot of people like to say it's a negative 1, and if you like your little add a negative, we're going to take this negative 1 and distribute it. So my next line will say y, negative y. Well, a negative negative will make this a positive y plus 4. A negative y and a positive y cancel out, where the answer is just 4. Again, I look at this as two negative numbers, negative 7, negative 1. Add them together, I get a negative 8. All right, I'm going to look at two more. Remember this negative, we have to distribute it through all three terms. This is called a trinomial because there's 3 terms. So this will be a positive a negative 6, and a positive b. Notice the m here. It's saying m minus, open parenthesis, negative n plus 3. Notice the m is not being distributed. Just this negative distributes. So I'm going to rewrite the m. A negative negative is a positive n, and negative times positive 3 is a negative 3.